If I don't start talking now, my sweat will start dripping. That's how hot it is in South Africa. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is LindyShirries. In this channel, we make money online. And if you're joining us for the first time, welcome to the family. And remember, it doesn't matter where you're from, who you are, what you do. You too can make money online. So in today's video, I am going to show you how to create a YouTube channel. And the reason is, in most of my videos, I normally say you can create a YouTube video. You can create a YouTube video. There's so much happening on AI where we can just optimize our YouTube channel and make money from there. So I am going to show you how to create, then I'm going to show you how to optimize it. I am going to how to add the channel banner art and also the logo, which is like your profile. So I am going to show you all of that, and also I'm going to show you where to get the music, where to get the description if you do not know what to add. And guys, I'm going to show you all of that. So yeah guys, without wasting time, let's just go before the sweat start dripping. Thing that you do, you go to Google, and then when you get to Google, you will type create Gmail account. So guys, do not click the one at the top which has sponsored. It's because that's an ad. With Google, you just click Google support, and then you'll see this, and then click create Gmail account. And then when you get to the screen, you enter your first name and your last name. You do not enter your YouTube name because they want to verify your information as well. And then after you've entered, the next screen will ask you for your date of birth, your gender. You just enter those, and then the next thing, you are done. You'll go to the next screen, your email will be created. You click those lines top right, you click YouTube, and then you get to the screen. So you click the face there, and then you click settings. Just look at it, settings, and then after you go to the screen, and then this is where you're actually going to create your YouTube channel. So click create, and then the next thing, you enter your YouTube channel name, create. If you do not have the name, guys, just think about it, and then you select your country from here, you enter the number. So what they are going to do, they are going to send you an SMS, or they are going to give you a call depending on what you enter, and then you click next. So when you click next, you will be verified. You do need to wait a bit for the SMS to come and then verify. So the next thing, you click again in your profile, and you will get to this part, and then here you can just click view your channel. It's just below the profile, and then you just click there. So can you see already that you do have a YouTube channel? And then you just click customize. So when you get to customize, this is all you have. Ignore the video that I have because I've already loaded, but I will show you how to upload. And then the next thing, you are going to have a picture and a channel banner, but we have to give it a name. You give it a name, and then after you give it a handler name. This is for you not to enter the whole link, but you can just add your handler name. And then the next thing, you go to a layout. So this is where you can add like your trailer. If you want maybe like a welcome message, you can record it and then add it under the channel trailer at the top. And then the next thing, you go to settings. So this is where we're going to change a few things. Under settings in general, you enter, you select your country, guys. So your currency, so mine is South Africa. And then the next thing, you click channel, and then you select another country, guys. So you select your country, which is also South Africa. And then under keywords, guys, these are the keywords for your channel. So that's why you need to know what's your niche, because you will need to put the keywords. So if you do not know what keywords to type, like if you're talking about money and crypto, you can go to ChatGPT and just type, give me keywords for a channel to do with money, make money online, or to do with lifestyle. Or if you are a Christian and you're creating a Christian channel, you can just also ask for Christian channels keywords. And then the next thing, it will give you a list. You can just copy from here, go back to your YouTube, and then enter these keywords. You can try and enter as many as you can, but I am going to show you another smart way of getting the right one. Go to YouTube and type your niche. So mine is make money online. So just select a video which is mostly watched. So this guy has many viewers. And then when you get there, go and install a Chrome extension called vidIQ. And then after installing, it will give you these keywords. So like this. So if you do not have this Chrome extension, you can check the link on the bio, and then you will be able to install vidIQ. So it is a free tool, but then you can also have a paid version. So now, save, you are done adding your keywords. We will also add keywords somewhere. But for now, let's go back and just add more information. If I go back to settings and then upload defaults, so under upload defaults, so for each and every video that you upload, you want like certain information to be like permanent and not removed. So for me, my referral links, so I just copy my referral links and then keep adding here, or if you do not have that, you can just add a welcome message, maybe say welcome, and then you want each and every video to be loaded publicly, but you can change this option when you upload. So this is just for you not to add every time when you upload a video, add this information. So you go back and get keywords because you're entering keywords for a video this time. Remember, the other keywords were for the channel, but now it's for a specific video. So if you upload a video that has nothing to do with those keywords, just make sure that you remove whatever you do not want. Under advanced settings, guys, here you can change the language. Say you want your channel to also maybe deal with China, to have a China language, you can also change that. And then the rest, comments, if you want people not to add comments, you can change that option to hold other comments. So maybe if you want to approve those comments, you can do that. And then under permissions, this is when maybe you hired someone to help you with your YouTube channel and they are going to upload for you. Then you can add those moderators, you can add maybe like your assistant, and then add their information here. Guys, there are people who are contacting YouTubers and saying, give me access and make me a moderator and give me access, and then they steal your channel. Make sure you do not give people that right, and make sure you're very careful. So we've added the name, we've added the channel handler. So now we're going to fix the description. This is under basic info. You go back to ChatGPT and say, give me a channel description for a YouTube channel to do with make money online, and just say one paragraph, because if you do not specify, ChatGPT will give you a whole lot of information which you will not be able to change. So you just change where it says welcome to, and then the channel name, and then the next thing at the bottom as well, you can see, you can change that as well. So once you're done, you see your channel URL. This is what you post to people, you give to people. And then under links, you add extra links like your TikTok account. If you have an Instagram, you can go and copy and put that information there. You can add even more. So, and then you add your email at the bottom, then you are done adding information under basic info. So the next thing that you do, you just confirm that everything is right. And I don't know why I have tested, let's just fix it and add my channel name is Health Money Success, and then you click publish it for your changes to be effective and implemented. So now we're going to create your channel banner and also your logo. So you just go to Canva, guys, and type YouTube channel art, and then it'll give you a list of all the channel arts that are available. So you can create a blank one if you know how to use Canva, but if you do not know, just go to YouTube and check the sizes. But then usually Canva has the right sizes. You can just get any template that you want and modify it to your specification. If you want to add your photo, you can add your photo from there. So now I'm going to select this one and click customize template. So can you see how already everything is done for you? Do not need to do anything. You just change the names, and then you just change, and if you want to add extra elements, you can just add all of that. On the left hand side, there's text and there's elements, there's upload. You can upload your own photo and then get that photo and add. So I'm just going to change the name to Health, Money and Success. So then it is there, and then I'm just going to align it proper and make sure that I get the right name. So at the bottom, you see there's also text. You can remove this or you can add whatever you want to add. So choose whatever you want to add. The top one, I think, it is aligned with what we are doing. So to change the photo, you delete the existing. You go to uploads and then you upload your photo, but I already have something, so I'll just put Elon Musk on this one, and then the rest I think I'll delete the second one, and then the right hand one I'll just add something that I want to add. Anything, guys, you can add. Even under elements you'll find a picture that you can add, and then you click share and then you click download. So now we have our channel art. We are going to upload this because it is downloading to our computer, guys. So now you click upload. So under upload, you go select where your channel art is, and then here it shows you if you're looking in viewing using TV, your cell phone, this is how it's going to look. So now I click apply then I am done with that. So the next thing, we're going to create a logo. We use Canva again. Remember, it is a free tool, but if you want a paid version, because some elements won't be showing, but you'll be fine with the free one. So you just click logo, and then there are different logos, but then I feel like these logos, they're like company sort of. So I created a blank one so that I can create my own. So you just go click elements, and then you type whatever picture you want, which is health, and then I'm just going to select and drag different things up until I get what I want. So you can change the background, you can add text. So I'm going again, I'm just going to select wealth, and then under wealth I am also going to get something. So I'm just going to keep adding elements until I am happy. So guys, do design it according to what you want. So we are planting seed money, and then our money will grow. So that's why I'm selecting this one. So obviously with all of that, we expect success. So yeah, now I'm going to look for something with success, and I'm going to add that. Can you see? Now you can add different elements. Make it bigger by just dragging on the sides, and then you put it on your right hand side. So you just fix it the way you want. You can change the background color by just clicking where it's at the back, and you change the color. So now I'm going to change the text to be a light, because the background is also not the same color as success. So this is how my channel logo looks, and then I can just add something to show growth, and then I click share, and then I download this logo. So you can even start a business creating logos. Can you see how easy it is to create logos? And then the next thing, you go and upload that, and then you have your channel logo, which looks right, matching well with your channel. So if you want to add your photo, you can add your photo. You just need to upload it, and then it will look nice. So now we are done adding our logo. So this is how our channel. So can you see, guys, it is actually looking nice. I'm even thinking maybe this won't be a demo account. I am going to create add videos and just make sure that I have. So if you want to see channel analytics, you go to dashboard, customize channel, and then dashboard. Can you see there? And then the next thing, you click go to channel analytics. So when you upload your video, you can see the analytics, how it's doing, and then real-time live subscribers and view counts. You can see all of that here. This is just extra information so that you can know where to get different things. So you can see all of that there. And then when you scroll down, guys, you will see audio library. This is where you get free songs. So guys, don't just get any song from anywhere and upload it on YouTube. You will get a copyright strike. So you can download music from here and use that music in your channel. You know you won't be paying for that. So just make sure you don't get any song and upload here. So you can get music, sound effects, and download and keep it in your computer or your phone, and then you'll be able to use that music. So that's something else. Under earn, it will show you what you will earn, many ways to earn. So you can just learn. Click learn more and understand, so that you can reach the target. You like set goals for yourselves on how to achieve all these targets. So yeah, guys, this is how you create your YouTube channel, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and share this video with many people. The next video, I'm going to show you how to upload a video and also create a thumbnail.